Hello everyone, my name is Rahim and I'm a playwright, actor and a belly dancer based in Cardiff. I've been living in Cardiff for the last 4 years when I came to the UK to seek asylum, and I was moved to Cardiff by the Home Office. And every time I say to people that I'm a refugee and I'm a gay man refugee, they always ask me, how was my first pride? And somehow I always fail to answer this question because I don't feel like I'm giving the right answer, because it was a lot of feelings. It was a feeling of happiness. It was a feeling of relief. It was a feeling of melancholy. If it's like, am I happy right now? What is this? What is going on? Because I realized when I was walking in the parade, with people I just met, people who were celebrating the same thing for the same reasons, for the same identity, and for the same community. I was thinking about my friend at that moment, about my friends who I was always dreaming about this moment. We were talked about this moment for as long as we can remember, and how we gonna celebrate, how we gonna feel, how is the feeling of like waving the rainbow flag without fear, without persecution, without precautions, without overthinking it, just wave it. At that moment, I felt really emotional, and walking down the parade, it was very cathartic for me, and chaotic as well, based on the outfit I was wearing. Yeah, in that moment was when I was walking and I was like thinking. I remember I was stopped by an old lady by the side of the street, and she was like asking me to dance, and I was like, oh boy, if you knew what is in my mind right now, you would not ask me. And that's the beauty of I think pride for me is amalgamation of celebration for activism, for visibility, which is the most important, but all kind of visibility for people of color, of refugees, of asylum seekers, of white cis allies, and all of the communities combined to celebrate one thing. I feel like I'm honestly talking from a refugee perspective and a person of color perspective. I think here in Cardiff we have still a long way to go to reach the inclusion that we are wishing for. But luckily, Pride Cymru is open for discussion, and we are trying to make it as inclusive as we all can, because unfortunately it is still white. I said it. Thank you so much, and I've been Rahim. Lovely to see you.